School of Planning and Architecture Vijayawada is one of the three institutes of national importance under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, offering education in the fields of planning and architecture. The school has distinguished itself and has grown as a role model in the professional education, offering undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs in the fields of planning and architecture, while at the same time fostering quality research in these domains. SPA Vijayawada is ranked one of the best technical institutes in the country by National Survey and Ranking India Today Group, as well as holds the 8th position in NIRF ranking nationwide for architecture in 2021. The campus is green rated and is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure such as hostels, central library, ICT-enabled teaching atmosphere, high-end digital surveillance systems, modern laboratories, spacious studios, classrooms, open-air theaters, auditorium, cafeteria, outdoor sports facilities, etc. SPAV campus was inaugurated on 23rd August 2018 by the distinguished Chief Guest Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Vice President of India, and Guest of Honor Shri ESL Narasimha, Honorable Governor of the States of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Guest of Honor Shri R. Subramaniam, Secretary, Department of Higher Education, MHRD, Government of India. During the inauguration, Honorable Cabinet Minister of Social Welfare of Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri N. Anand Babu, graced the occasion with his presence. The inauguration was held under the able guidance and august presence of Professor Dr. Meenakshi Jain, Director SPA Vijayawada, and Architect Brinda Sumaya, Chairperson BOG, SPAV, and the members of Senate, board faculty, staff, students of SPAV. Achieve academic excellence in architecture and planning through innovating, creating, acquiring, and disseminating knowledge using sustainable local and global practices and enhancing the quality of society through a responsible built environment. The academic block has a total built-up area of around 30,000 square meter. The form and structure of the academic and administrative block is deemed to be outstanding in the city of Vijayawada and is infused with local materials and contemporary brutalist and minimalist design. The buildings in the campus capture maximum natural lighting and ventilation through multi-level courtyards and light wells. It has several unique architectural and structural features of innovation. The campus is energy efficient and environment friendly in many aspects. The entire rainwater runoff in the campus from the terraces and paved surfaces are designed to channelize into two large artificial groundwater recharge beds for groundwater rejuvenation. Softscape areas cover over 60% of the campus area, which encourages the water percolation and maintains ambient microclimate. Urban forests and planned landscape areas character throughout the campus encourages formal and informal interaction zones. The campus identifies strongly with sustainability approaches to minimize energy footprint. Accordingly, it boasts of a complete solar water heating system for all hostels and kitchen facilities with 19,200 liters per day capacity. It has rooftop solar power generation units with 183 kW per day with 108,000 kWh units of generation per year. The campus has LED lighting with automatic sensors. Over 300 plant saplings have been planted in the last 2 years in the campus, which are botanically tagged and carefully monitored. The campus has an additional 2.66 acres of land with green cover, which is in the process of being developed as an outdoor sports facility. The Department of Architecture offers undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs for achieving excellence in the fields of architecture. The academic programs at SPA Vijayawada are designed to address and to take up physical, socio-economic, and environmental challenges so as to achieve future sustenance and hence to cater to the specific needs of the industry and academics. The key objective of these courses is to equip the students with adequate skills required to comprehend various built environment related issues and to analyze physical, socio-economic, cultural, political, and ecological dimensions of the human settlements. The team is actively engaged in research oriented and various architectural consultancy projects. The Department of Planning and SPAV envisions the furthering of existing knowledge and creation of new frontiers in the field of development and planning through providing enabling education and training, cutting-edge research and professional consultancy in the region. The Department of Planning has a judicious and wide-ranging of expertise that includes regular faculty, professors, associate professors, assistant professors, and visiting faculty who contribute to different planning courses and subjects each semester. The Library of School of Planning and Architecture Vijayawada is an integral part of an academic system whose primary function is not only to serve students, researchers, faculty, and staff, but also to create a conducive environment for education, research, and innovation. Hostels in the SPA Vijayawada campus have excellent infrastructure facilities for students. It has 3 independent hostels blocks, South, North, and West block. The SPAV Student Housing and Hostel Designs has recently bagged the prestigious Eurasian Prize 2018 in the category of low and mid-rise housing for its impeccable design aspects with respect to sustainability. The guest house is a humble abode for the guests of SPAV fraternity. Professor Dr. Meenakshi Jain has been working as a director since November 2016. She is from architecture background with specialization in landscape architecture and sustainable development. She has been erstwhile Head Department of Architecture, Dean Planning and Development, NIT Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh. Having nearly 30 years of experience in both academics and industry, she is a life member of Council of Architecture, fellow member of Indian Institute of Architects and Indian Society of Landscape Architects. At academic front, she is the chief editor for the International Journal of Planning and Architectural Sciences of SPA Vijayawada. She was the patron of the International Conference on Resilient and Livable City Planning held from February 10 to February 13, 2021 at SPA Vijayawada.